Smart Health Hour's 6th Fast Track review regarding breast and its diseases. In this Fast Track, we will be going over the breast conditions, and our honored guest will be Dr. Laszlo Tăbar. Dr. Tăbar is one of the forefathers of modern breast diagnosis. He has had a long and distinguished service to radiology. He graduated with his medical degree in 1967 from the University of Pécs in Hungary, and went on to get his boards in radiology in 1971. He was a staff radiologist in multiple countries like Hungary, Finland, and Sweden. More recently, he was the medical director of the Department of Mammography at the Central Hospital in Falun, Sweden. He is an associate in Swedish Society of Medicine and also radiology. He is an honorary member of multiple societies like the Finnish Radiology Society, Hungarian Radiology Society, honorary member of the American College of Radiology, and also an honorary member of the Hungarian Society of Clinical Oncology. He is decorated with many awards such as the British Medical Association Film Competition Silver Award for positioning techniques in mammography, and again with the same award for galactography and pneumocystography in 1984 and 1985. In terms of literature, he has over 200 research papers to his name and has authored and co-authored more than 15 books in this field. Above all these achievements, he was one of the leaders of the two-county Swedish trial that proved the life-saving impact of early detection of breast cancer. This trial is the foundation for mammography screening in the world. We would like to invite anyone who is interested. The link to the registration is posted below.